Welcome to the best pick. The best RV faucet shower is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your mobile living space, transforming a basic necessity into a surprisingly luxurious experience on the road, ensuring that whether you're washing dishes after a campfire meal or enjoying a much-needed rinse after a long day of exploring, you have a reliable and comfortable shower system that enhances your overall RV adventure and makes every drop count. Number 5. G-Sunny All-Metal RV Shower Faucet. Experience durability with our all-metal RV shower faucet. Crafted from stainless steel with a ceramic valve core and corrosion-resistant chrome finish, it's built to last and elevate your shower experience. Enjoy a comfortable shower with its easy-turn metal knobs. This design allows for smooth adjustments to both water temperature and pressure, ensuring your perfect shower every time. Its compact and elegant appearance is ideal for smaller motorhome showers. The smaller handles prevent accidental openings, and the industrial-grade chrome plating adds a touch of style without adding much weight. Designed to fit any 2-hole, 4-inch opening, this valve offers versatile installation. The diverter accommodates all standard shower hoses, making it a seamless replacement. Install it yourself without needing a plumber. It's perfect for both your indoor RV shower and your exterior camper shower, offering convenience wherever you go. What we like. This faucet is built to last with its all-metal construction and ceramic valve core. If you're looking for a durable and corrosion-resistant upgrade for your RV shower that can withstand frequent use, this is an excellent choice. Its industrial-grade chrome plating also adds a touch of elegance. What people say. The faucet shower is easy to install and works great. It has a good water pressure and the shower head is adjustable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my RV. Number 4. Laguna Brass RV Shower Diverter Valve Set. Introducing the Laguna Brass Shower Diverter Valve and Hand Shower Set. Its elegant design is perfect for travel trailers, campers, and fifth-wheelers, enhancing your mobile living experience. Enjoy effortless control with lever handles featuring quarter-turn stops. This allows for easy operation and precise temperature adjustments for your comfort. The included shower head comes with a water-saving trickle valve switch. This feature helps conserve water during your shower without completely shutting off the flow. A durable 59-inch synthetic hose is included, along with a mounting bracket and guide ring. Everything you need for a straightforward installation is provided. Installation is designed to be simple, requiring only 2 holes for a secure fit. Get your new shower system set up quickly and easily. What we like. With its elegant design and easy-to-use lever handles, this faucet is ideal for travel trailers and campers. If you appreciate a stylish aesthetic and the convenience of precise temperature control, this option is perfect for you. The water-saving trickle switch on the shower head is a great bonus for conserving water on the go. What people say. The faucet is made of solid brass, which is durable and corrosion-resistant. It features a high-pressure shower head that provides a strong and consistent water flow. The installation process was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 3. Dura Faucet EF SA100C SN RV Shower Faucet. Introducing a faucet with an elegant and classic exterior, featuring a fully functional diverter and easy-turn handles for precise temperature and water pressure control. Enjoy a generous, straight, and even stream every time. This faucet's stylish and classic design is perfect for updating your existing tub hardware. Made with premium synthetic waterways and sturdy plastic construction, it blends seamlessly with virtually any decor. Experience a smooth turning action with its durable, easy-turn design, preventing unwanted dripping. This quality unit accommodates all standard shower hoses and is lead-free certified. Designed with your recreational vehicle's limited space in mind, this faucet offers a quick and easy 2-hole installation. No plumber is needed, installation nuts and washers are included. Perfect for everyday use in your RV, this faucet allows you to focus on the open road, not your plumbing. It's built to last and perform reliably on your adventures. This faucet boasts a powerful 2.4 GPM flow rate and is UPC and CUPC certified. As a proud American company with USA-based customer support, we ensure timely and accurate issue resolution. What we like. This faucet offers a classic and stylish look that will easily update your RV's tub hardware. If you're seeking a blend of timeless design and reliable performance, this is a great option. Its lead-free certification ensures safety, and the easy-turn handles provide smooth operation for everyday use. What people say. The faucet is made of solid brass, which is durable and resistant to corrosion. It features a dual-function sprayer with both shower and stream settings, allowing for versatile use. The installation process was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 2. Dura Faucet DF SA100LH MB RV Shower Faucet Valve Diverter. Introducing a faucet with an elegant exterior and sleek lever handles. Easily adjust temperature and water pressure for a comfortable experience. Update your tub hardware with its classic styling. This unit is constructed with premium-grade synthetic waterways and sturdy plastic for lasting durability. Enjoy a smooth turning action with its durable, easy-turn design that prevents unwanted dripping. It's designed to work seamlessly with all standard shower hoses. Worried about space? This faucet was designed with recreational vehicles in mind, making installation simple without the need for a plumber. Experience a powerful 2.4 GPM flow rate, perfect for a strong stream. It fits any 2-hole 4-inch opening and is UPC and CUPC certified for quality assurance. What we like. For those who prefer a modern aesthetic, this faucet with its sleek lever handles and matte black finish is a fantastic choice. If you desire a powerful and consistent water stream, its 2.4 GPM flow rate is impressive. It's designed with RVs in mind, making it a stylish and functional upgrade. What people say. The faucet is easy to install and use. The shower head has multiple spray settings, which is convenient. The faucet is made of durable material and looks great in my RV. Number 1. RV Shower Faucet 4 Replacement. Introducing a versatile shower faucet designed for both the inside and outside of your RV. It's the perfect solution for showering or filling dishes, ensuring convenience wherever you go. Crafted with durable materials, including a stylish acrylic knob and a functional diverter, this faucet is built to last. Its classic design seamlessly complements your RV's interior and is simple to maintain. Enjoy precise control over your water temperature and pressure with its easy-to-operate dual knobs. They turn smoothly, providing an aerated stream perfect for any need. Replacing your old faucet is a breeze with this easy-to-install unit. Its compact design is ideal for smaller RV showers, preventing accidental activation. This faucet is UPC and CUPC certified, ensuring it meets high standards for quality and safety. It's designed for a 4-inch center-to-center installation, making it a reliable choice. What we like. This faucet features unique dual-smoked acrylic knobs and a compact design, making it perfect for smaller RV showers. If you need a versatile faucet that works for both indoor and outdoor use, this is an excellent solution. Its stylish appearance and easy operation make it a practical and attractive choice. What people say. The faucet has a nice finish and looks great in the RV. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The shower head has good water pressure and is adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.